How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go to your TikTok application directly, and it will lead you to your home page. Now here on your home page, on the bottom part, you will see 5 different options there. You'll see home, shop, plus icon, or create a new content icon, the inbox, and profile. So you may want to go to your profile here, and you will be directed to your profile area. Now here on your profile area, you will see on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings and privacy, and then on scroll all the way down up until you see the login section. And as you can see, you can actually log out your account or switch your account. Now if you tap on switch account, you can actually add a account. To add multiple accounts, and tap on add account here, and then sign up for your TikTok, and then just have to log in your TikTok account there. So the other way is, if you go back here to your profile area, on the upper part you will see your name there and a arrow. It's actually above your profile picture there. Now tap on that and tap on add account, and then let's say continue with Google, and then here continue with Google, tap on continue, and just have to choose the account that I actually used for this you want to open. And as you can see, I have now successfully added multiple accounts on my TikTok. So if you tap on this, there is actually 3 accounts there. Now if you have more account, then tap on add account, then open that, then you can now jump from one account to another. And basically that is how you add multiple accounts on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.